Yes. क्या बात है? Yes. Identification. Now is the circumstances which identify but you are also having a unique personality. Yeah, you can also add or subtract something. Clear, Gunta Singh? So law are the circumstances which are help to the functioning of a society, as Gunta said, or law which are passed by the parliament. Law are those conditions which are passed by the parliament is known as a law, which are generally known as a law. Known as a law. Am I audible? Everybody? Anybody, sorry? Am I audible? Okay, let's continue. Understanding law. So we discussed the law making procedure, which has generally occurred through the 3 readings. In a first reading, law introduced in an assembly by the ruling party. By the member of a ruling party introduce a law in assembly, either in a Lok Sabha or a Rajya Sabha. In a second reading, there will be as a discussions will held in between of a ruling and opposition party. In a third reading with suggestions which are given by the opposition in context of a bill, such kind of suggestions, it will be as a rectify, change in that particular bill which prior introduced in an assembly, and afterwards the bill it will pass on a sound motion by the speaker. Then the bill it will be sent towards another house. Same procedure, 3 readings, first, second, and the third reading. After the approval of a bill from both the houses, Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, it will send towards the president for their consent, for their approval. If President of India it consider the bill required certain changes, जो bill pass हुआ है उसके अंदर कुछ changes किए जा सकते हैं, with suggestion it can be as returned towards a Lok Sabha or a Rajya Sabha. ठीक है ना? अगर President approve कर देता है, the bill it will becomes as a law. But still, as a scope of a change is there, judiciary, Supreme Court, it can also suggest the certain changes if they consider the bill needs as a rectification. वो उसको दोबारा रिटर्न कर सकती है असेंबली को. ये जुडिशरी के पास पावर है. ठीक है, आप कुछ कह रहे थे रिदम? अप्रूवल तो वही है ना, वर्बली अप्रूवल क्या है? रिदम ने कह दिया हाँ जी हो गया, उसको कौन कंसिडर करेगा? नोबडी इट विल कंसिडर. यस गुंतास, कैन यू कंसिडर दिस थिंग वर्बली? Can you consider the things which are verbally given by the person? Written matter is a, sorry, written context is the matters. So the president's signature is a mandatory on a bill which proves that the president's consent has given in favor or against of a bill. Sit down. So next is the controversial law. Controversial law. Certain number of law are there which are not accepted by the people are controversial law. Controversial law. Am I audible, Gunta Singh? So controversial law, those law which are unpopular or unaccepted by the people, not accepted by the people, which are generally unpopular or not accepted by the people, bill passed, president given their consent, bill becomes a law. After the enactment or the passing of a law is still not applied by the or not used by the people. This is as a controversial law. Law है पर वो controversy है, means the law needs a certain changes. Law already given as the president of India, it given their consent, judiciary has checked that the law is used by people or not. if the law makes as any kind of a controversy. Under such circumstances, judiciary having a power through which it can modify the law, through which it can modify or return a law to the assembly. It can return a law to the assembly. It can return a law to the assembly. And how the Supreme Court or how the judiciary, it checks to the public opinion. Judiciary checks to the public opinion. Public opinion. Public opinion. Abhi opinion ye nahi hai ki the judiciary, it will check that what the Tushar, what the Pragati or Guntas, they are thinking about the law. As a normal perception of a people regarding a law. When people, they are not accepting the policies, rules, regulations of a government given by the government, under such circumstances, they are showing their aggression. They are showing their aggression in a form of a strikes. When people are not satisfied with government rules, regulations, and the policies, they are showing their aggression in a form of strikes, band, strikes. Strikes उसी को कहते हैं, धरना मत कह देना उसके बाद. Strikes, बंद्स. हाँ जी, बंद उसी को कहा मैंने, चक्का जाम जिसको कहते हैं आप. Strikes, बंद, signing campaigns, SIGNING, signing campaigns. Government officials क्या करते हैं? Resignation on morality, based on morality. कुछ officials क्या करते हैं? On the basis, ऐसा तब होता है कोई incident हो जाए सोसाइटी के अंदर. Under such circumstances, some of the officials, they resigned from their post. और किसी के साथ injustice हुआ सोसाइटी के अंदर, crime happened against of the women. So in such of the situations, some of the cabinet ministers, they resigned from their post on morality. नैतिकता के आधार पर छोड़ देते, because they consider that is the responsibility of that person is to protect the people. But the person is a failed means on a morality basis, they resign from their post. They resigned. Okay, signing campaigns. Signing campaigns means they are writing as an application. One person, it will be as a write the application, and a number of people which will be signed that particular document means they are favoring. They are opposing the government rules and the policies. बिल को बनाया जा सकता है, बिल को जलाया जाता है, ठीक है? और ऐसे people, they are burning as effigies of ministers. पुतले जलाए जाते हैं in strikes. So through this, the people, they show their aggression against of the authorities. People showing their aggression against of authorities, because the Constitution of India, it provides as an opportunity of dash. Yes, Rhythm Garg. Constitution of India, it provides the opportunity of through which people, they can oppose they can express their views, expression, right to expression. In right to expression, under the right to expression, people can express their thoughts or criticize the government for their policies. But this thing is not possible in Pakistan. Our neighboring country in Pakistan, this thing is not possible. If anybody has opposing the government, anybody has opposing in a such kind of the government, these are basically as a punished. But in our country, democratic country, all are having to express their views, even for the government also. But only one condition, it shouldn't hurt the sentiments of any community or an individual. Means abusive words or wrong words which are not accepted in society, it shouldn't use in a such rallies or strikes. Rallies or strikes. So these are the controversial law. Controversial law. Controversial. So large number of law are there. One example is there, Lokpal Bill. It was enacted in a Lokpal, L-O-K-P-A-L. Lokpal Bill enacted in a 2013. What was that? Under this bill states that if any of a government official it caught under the charges of a corruption, और कोई मिनिस्टर पकड़ा जाता है, ठीक है ना, corruption charges में, then the decisions regarding as their punishment, it will be as a taken by the 3 individuals, from which as the 2 belong from the ruling party and 1 it may be as a individual belong from any of a society, any part of a country. कोई सरपंच हो सकता है, पंच हो सकता है, एक ऑर्डिनरी टीचर, डॉक्टर, लॉयर, कोई भी हो सकता है, एक कॉमन मैन हो सकता है, ठीक है. As we followed earlier, in India there is a rule of a majority. Rule of majority. जो majority ने decision लिया, out of 3, if 2 are taking as a decision in favor of a minister, then that action it will be as a takes place. So against of which one of the social activists it worked. What was the name of it? Because of the efforts of that person, Aam Aadmi Party came into existence. Yes, very good, Mumtaz. Anna Hazare. Anna Hazare worked to show their aggression against our Lokpal Bill. Then with the modification in a bill, Jan Lokpal Bill introduced in 2014. Jan Lokpal Bill. उसमें क्या किया गया? There will be as a 5 members and all the 5 members, it will be as belong from the common men, not belong from the any of a regional or national parties. Decision minister के against common man लेगा. ये क्या punishment होनी चाहिए? ठीक है ना? So Jan Lokpal Bill. So controversial law becomes as the healthier law for a society. Healthier law for a society. That law which earlier as accepted by the people, not accepted by the people, with efforts of Anna Hazare and their supporters, the law it modified and rectified in Constitution of India. Rectified in Constitution of India. This was our chapter, Understanding Law. Any questions? Any questions? Yes, anybody? Yes, Jagnur, क्या करना? क्या पूछना? कुछ पूछना है? Rhythm, Pragati, yes, nobody? Question answers. Question answers. Write in your own words, what do you understand by the term rule of law? In your response, include a fictitious or real example of a violation of the rule of law. Rule of law. Yes, what will be their expected answer? Yes, rule of law. Rule of law means yes, second question. Second question is the state 2 reasons why the historians refuse the claim that the British introduced the rule of law in India. Rule of law in India, because during British rule, they emphasized over arbitrary government. Britishers emphasized on arbitrary government. Arbitrary government in which freedoms not given to Indians to participate in administration, second point, not allowed to participate in administration. Second point, Britishers restricted social freedoms social freedom through enactment of law. Through enactment of law. Example, Sedition Act of 1870, Sedition Act of 1870, SEDITION, Sedition Act of 1870. Any other example? Rowlatt Act 1919, ROWLATT, Rowlatt Act of 1919, 1919. Question number 3. Reread the storyboard on how a new law on domestic violence got passed. Leave it. Describe in your own words in different ways. वो तो उसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन होगी ना, एक्सप्लेनेशन, एग्जाम्पल की एक्सप्लेनेशन कह रहे हैं आप. 2 points. Yes, question number 3. Domestic Violence Act. Domestic Violence Act states that Domestic Violence Act states that हाँ जी करना है. Domestic Violence Act states that physical, मारना पीटना जैसे, verbal, use of abusive language, physical, verbal, exploitation of women by their families. Domestic Violence Act restricted, add the word restricted. Domestic Violence Act restricted physical and verbal exploitation of women, through their families, This law, full stop, strengthening the position of women in society, and protected from discrimination. It protected from discrimination. It protected from discrimination. It protected from discrimination. So what are the different ways in which as a women group they worked in make this happen? First, they organized themselves in women organized themselves in women protection organizations or Mahila Ayog, Mahila Ayog, Second, अभी ब्रेक हुई थी बच्चे. Sit down. Use your water bottle. Second, Mahila Ayog. Second, organization of rallies to oppose exploitation in society, to take part, third, in administration through elections, to take part in administration through elections, work for women emancipation or empowerment, women empowerment, women emancipation or empowerment by economic support, full stop. Question number 4, write in your own words, what do you understand by the following sentence on a page 44, 45? Leave it. 3 questions you have to attempt on your notebooks. First 3 questions. First 3 questions. 1, 2, 3. First 3. So any questions regarding this chapter? Understanding law, online and offline students? Yes, Kritika.
Sir, please repeat the 4th part of 3rd question.
4th part. What was the 4th point? Yeah. They work for the women emancipation, work for women empowerment or emancipation through economic support, economic spell as ECONOMIC, ECONOMIC, economic support, clear? Economic support Hanji? Mahila Ayog is an organization in India which has struggled to protect women from exploitation. If the injustice happened with any of a women or a crime against of a women happened in any part of a society, under such circumstances, it raised the voice of a women in society for justice. For justice. Anybody else? Sorry? बाद में बता. Anybody else? Any question? Next chapter is the judiciary. Judiciary. It was Begum Oudh, O-U-D-H. Begum Oudh, O-U-D-H. And regarding the class, judiciary chapter. Judiciary is the 3rd important organ of Indian democracy. So there are 3 organs of Indian democracy. First are the, very good, legislatures. Second, executives. Third as the judiciary. Judiciary is responsible to maintain law and order in country. Law and order in country. Proper functioning of society is the responsibility of judiciary. This is as the responsibility of judiciary. In India, in our country, judiciary is basically divided among the three authorities, or the three level of the courts are there. Three level of courts are there. One Supreme Court, there is one Supreme Court which is also known as apex court, which is above to the all the different number of courts. Clear? Then there are the high courts are there. High courts are there. Total number of 23 high courts are there. High courts 23. Northeastern states, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. These 7 states are having the one common high court, which is in Guwahati. In Assam. Very good. Punjab and Haryana having as a common high court, Chandigarh. So total number of 23 high courts are there, which are generally present in capitals of the states. Capitals of states. Third tier, third level of the courts are number इसीलिए नहीं लिखा यहाँ. Then there are the number of subordinate courts. कह सकते हैं subordinate courts. So which are having as a bifurcation, the different types of subordinate courts are there. Civil courts, criminal courts, third, revenue courts, civil courts, criminal courts, revenue courts, जो लोकल कोर्ट्स कहा जाता है, या फिर डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट्स कहा आपने, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट्स, या फिर सेशन कोर्ट जो जलंधर में है, सेशन कोर्ट. It's also the name given to the subordinate courts. So those matters which are associated with the theft, robbery, such matters, these are solved under the civil courts. Robberies, theft. Matters associated with the criminal charges, murder, criminal courts. Revenue courts are associated with the land revenue or land revenue, taxes or land. Matters which are associated with property, land, property, taxes, these are entertained under the revenue courts. So this is as the hierarchical order of the courts in India. Except such judicial courts, there are the consumer forums are also there. Consumer forums, FORUMs. Such consumer forums, these are provided at all the 3 levels. At central level, or the Supreme Court, there are the national forum, which are entertaining the issues associated with more than 1 crore. अगर आपने कोई सामान खरीदा है, ठीक है, and that particular product is a defective. आपने घर में सामान लेकर आए हैं, बिल आपने लिया था, but unfortunately वो सामान defective निकला. You can replace or take as a compensation from the company on the behalf of that particular bill or a cash memo which you collected at the time of purchase. If the company refuse to provide you the service, because warranty period होता है 1 साल का 1.5 साल का, उस in between, if the company refuse to provide the service, under such circumstances, person can go towards a national forum for justice. Within 3 months, justice provided through the national forums. If your matter is associated with the 20 lakhs to the 1 crore, आपने कोई सामान लिया है, ठीक है, आपने ऑडी कार ली है, वो खराब निकली, कुछ भी उसके अंदर डिफेक्ट आ गया, विद इन 1 year रिपेयरमेंट नहीं हो रही है, उसको ठीक करके नहीं दिया जा रहा है, यू कैन गो टुवर्ड्स द स्टेट फोरम्स, 20 lakhs to 1 crore. If your matter is associated with a less than the 20 lakh is a less than 20 lakh is the district forum. District forum. In courts का एक plus point ये है, if the when the case has registered in a such courts, it will be solved within a period of 3 months. दिया जाएगा justice. And most of the time it is in favor of a consumer if the consumer is aware about their rights. What rights are there? At the time of purchase, you have to take as a bill. Bill proves that the security guarantee. If you are not taking as a bill, means the purchase of a product, it may be as possible from the other sources. Illegal हो सकता है. हाँ, उस person ने tax नहीं भरा. Very good, Gundas. Good knowledge. Yes, Jayant.
Sir, what are the spellings of forum?
F-O-R-U-M. F-O-R-U-M, forum. So forum, such courts are also works in India, except such judicial courts or a consumer forums. Certain, in most of the time, there are the courts are organized by the Supreme Court for speedy justice. These are known as the, tomorrow we will do this.